When it comes to choosing a CRM for lead management, you're probably deciding between Salesflare and LeadSquared. Both are popular choices, but which one is truly the best for lead management? Stick around, because in this video, we'll take a closer look at the features, pros, and cons of each, and by the end, I'll share a better alternative you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about Salesflare. One of its standout features is its focus on automation. Salesflare automatically tracks emails, activities, and interactions, making it super easy for sales teams to keep track of their leads without manual entry. It also integrates with your existing tools, so everything stays in one place. However, while automation is great, some users find it a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to CRM tools. You might spend some time getting everything set up before you can enjoy the full benefits. Next thing, LeadSquared. This CRM is designed for marketing and sales teams, making it a powerful option for lead management. LeadSquared excels with its robust features for lead scoring, automation, and multi-channel marketing. You can easily track leads through email, calls, and social media interactions, and it has some pretty impressive segmentation tools. But it's not all perfect. LeadSquared's interface can feel cluttered, especially if you're not using all of the features available. The learning curve can be steep, and if you only need a CRM for basic lead management, it might feel like overkill. The fourth thing we need to discuss is the pricing. Salesflare is generally more affordable for smaller teams, but as you scale, the pricing can quickly get more expensive as you add more users and features. LeadSquared, on the other hand, offers more flexibility in pricing tiers, but can be pricier for smaller businesses that don't need all the advanced features. Another important factor is customer support. Salesflare tends to have responsive support with a clear knowledge base and live chat options. LeadSquared offers similar support, but some users report slower response times during peak hours. For fast-growing teams, getting quick support is crucial when managing leads, so this can be a big deciding factor. Lastly, one thing that stands out about Salesflare and LeadSquared is that neither of them is perfect for everyone. Both CRMs have a focus on automation and tracking, but they can be cumbersome if you need a more streamlined, user-friendly experience. If you're looking for a CRM with a simpler interface, better scalability, and a better overall lead management experience, I recommend checking out the free trial in the description below. Both Salesflare and LeadSquared offer solid features, but if you're serious about lead management and want a tool that's even better suited for your needs, take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.